5-year-old Obakeng Menyuko was doing what children do best, playing outside with his friends in the streets of Hammanskraal. But just few houses away, a neighbor was showing off her new gun, showing it off to friends. Seconds later, a single gunshot rang out, and the life of a little boy was gone forever. This is the tragic story of Obakeng Menyuko. On Saturday, 24 January 2026, Obakeng was outside playing with other children in the street. It was a normal day, but suddenly everything changed. According to reports, 30-year-old Tselani Mautla, a neighbor, was testing her gun out, showing it off to friends when a bullet struck Obakeng under his right armpit. The children who had been playing moments before were suddenly screaming in shock and confusion. Adults rushed outside. Family members quickly tried to get help. Obakeng was rushed to a nearby clinic, but sadly the little boy died on the way. A life that had barely begun had already been taken. Police soon arrived at the scene and opened a murder case, and a case was opened at the Temba police station, and investigations quickly led them to the suspect, Tselani Lebogang Mautla. On the 27th of January 2026, she appeared before the magistrate's court. Through her attorney, she stated that she needed to be given bail, 2,000 bail, and also stated that she is a primary breadwinner for her two children and that they were alone at this time. And that broke Obakeng's mother, as she shouted that if the suspect wants bail, she should bring back Obakeng, and then walked out of the courtroom before the matter was finalized. On the 31st of January, the family and friends and the community members gathered to say their final goodbyes to Obakeng. A tiny coffin carried the weight of unimaginable loss. A 5-year-old gone just like that. The tragic death of Obakeng left the community devastated and searching for answers. His story serves as a painful reminder of the dangers of irresponsible firearm handling, because sometimes one careless moment can destroy an entire family. Justice for Obakeng, and this story is such a sad story. Guys, do let me know what you think about this one. May Obakeng's soul continue to rest in peace and justice for him.